Do you have any idea how easy it is to steal one of these? We have a solution for that. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this trailer lock. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. First thing we noticed, it's heavy as can be. Check that out. It's got a little keyhole in it. We're gonna take and put the key in it, and we're gonna put it right on here and lock it. All right, so you unlock it and this piece pulls down. See, we've got the key in it. Go ahead and stick it on there. And that pushes up. Lock it in place. And there it is. Huh!
It's pretty stuck on there.
I've been told that you can hit this with a hammer.
And then you can cover that.
That's how strong it is.
I mean,
It's pretty strong. That's pretty crazy. Yeah, I don't think you're getting it off of there. Huh. And that's going to stop people from being able to steal your trailer. The nice thing about it is it's small. It's heavy, but it's got to be heavy because it's durable. You don't want somebody to be able to just hit it and take it off of there. And then it's got the little rubber things that you can put in there to cover that key lock as well.
yeah.
There it is.
But I just thought I'd show you.
That is crazy cool. And yeah, comes down, comes right off. So it's actually easy to get off, but will protect your trailer from somebody trying to steal it. Huh, that'll be nice. You wouldn't think that people steal trailers, but they do all the time, and including RVs. So even when you have it in storage, it'd be nice to have one of these on.
Yeah, a lot of people suggest take this off, but ours, this is non-detachable.
Yeah, we can't. Yeah, we can't take ours off. Huh, all right, well.
Pretty cool.
So in conclusion, that works pretty good. We recommend this.